Hello, happy soap makers. I'm Melissa from the Nature's Garden creative team. It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and most of us know someone who has been affected by breast cancer. So we wanted to take a moment to remind you to schedule your annual mammogram and make sure that you're doing self-examinations. For those of you out there currently fighting breast cancer, stay strong and know that our thoughts are with you. In honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we thought that we would create this breast cancer awareness cold process soap. Let's whip it up!